Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Prince8256. In this video I'll guide you on how to import files in your TLS tunnel VPN. Okay, I'm gonna show you in case you might have got it from Telegram, or maybe someone sent it to you on WhatsApp, or maybe you created it by yourself. In case you don't know how to create it, I'm gonna be leaving the video link in the description such that you watch it in case you missed it. Okay, I showed you on how to create these files to secure your internet. In case you don't know that, I'll be dropping the link. You watch it and learn how to create the files and secure your internet. So let's go and open up our TLS tunnel VPN. So what you need to do in case you want to import, because you come and tap on this like this, so you just have to click on this where you're seeing this word import config, such that you secure your internet. Okay, so look through, you can see that you can see this part TLS tunnel folder, so click on it. As you can see, our config is right here. This one is going to help you to secure your internet. This one, click on it. So we have imported it successfully, and what you need to do is to click and start your VPN. So after importing the file, you just have to click to start it, but make sure that the file is not yet expired, because it may not work out for you. Okay, or if it was wrongly made, it couldn't also work for you. I say now